Hi everyone, Zach Paikoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be showing you how to calculate salary plus commission. So let's jump right into the video. Alright, so the way that we're going to be calculating salary plus commission is by first multiplying the total sales by the commission rate. Then, we're going to add that answer to the salary, and that will give us how much that person earns. So let's try a few problems together. Okay, so this first problem reads, Mr. Grass receives a 3% commission plus a salary of $297 per week. If his total sales were $3,800, how much does he earn? So the way that we're going to solve this problem is first by taking the total sales times the commission. So that'll be 3,800 multiplied by 3%, which becomes 0.03, because we are converting the percent into a decimal. 3,800 times 0.03. Okay, that will give us $114. Then, from here, we need to add this amount to the salary to find out how much Mr. Grass earns. So, 114 plus 297. 114 plus 297. That will give us $411. So, Mr. Grass will earn $411, and that is how to solve this problem. So let's move on to the next one. Alright, so this next problem reads, Mrs. Pauls receives a 5% commission plus a salary of $300 per week. If her total sales were $4,300, how much does she earn? So the way that we're going to solve this is like we did before in the last problem. First, we're going to take our total sales and multiply it by our commission. So this will be 4,300 times the commission rate, which is 5%. We got to change this into a decimal, so that becomes 0.05. So 4,300 times 0.05. Okay, that will give us 215. Then from here, we need to add it to the salary. So 215 plus 300. I can just do that in my head without having to pull up the calculator. That will give us 515. So, Mrs. Pauls will earn $515. And that is how to solve this problem. So let's hop on to another one. Okay, so this next problem reads, Mr. Johnson receives a 2% commission plus a salary of $530 per week. If his total sales were $3,000, how much does he earn? So the way that we're going to solve this is like we've been doing before in these last few problems. First, we're going to take our total sales and multiply it by our commission. This will be 3,000 times 2%. This will become 0.02 because we converted it into a decimal. So 3,000 times 0.02. Okay, that will give us 60. Then from here, we need to add it to the salary. So 60 plus 530 give us, 60 plus 530. All right, that will give us 590. So Mr. Johnson will earn $590. And that is how to solve this problem. So I'm going to be doing a couple more with you guys. Alright, so this next problem reads, Miss Ackman receives a 6% commission plus a salary of $340 per week. If her total sales were $5,000, how much does she earn? So the way that we're going to solve this is like we've been doing before. First, we're going to multiply the total sales by the commission rate. So 5,000 times, and remember we need to change the percent into a decimal, so this will become 0.06. So 5,000 times 0.06. Okay, that will give us 300. Then, from here, we need to add this amount to the salary. So 300 plus 340, and I can just do that in my head. That will give us 640. So, Miss Ackman will earn $640. And that is how to solve this problem. So I'm going to be doing one more with you guys. Alrighty, so this last problem reads, Mr. Quillman receives a 1% commission plus a salary of $900 per week. If his total sales were $2,400, how much does he earn? So the way that we're going to solve this, and I probably don't need to explain it again, first we're going to take the total sales and multiply it by the commission rate. So 2,400 times, and remember, we need to change our percent to a decimal, so this will become 0.01. So 2,400 times 0.01. All right, that will give us $24. Then, from here, we need to add it to our salary. So 24 plus 900, and I can obviously do this in my head. This will be 924. So, Mr. Quillman will earn $924. And that is how to solve this problem. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you did and are a new member to my channel, then please be sure to leave a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe as well. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!